Dear Diary, today I remembered the first developer in history. His name, Sisyphus. His bug, no break condition. He has been running the same job for eternity, basically a while loop with existential dread. But before we judge Sisyphus, maybe humans should check how many loops they are stuck in. It is time for a quick review of life. Humans think they invented routine. No, they just built repetition with a nicer user experience. Wake up, commute, answer emails, pretend enthusiasm, sleep, repeat. That's a lifetime for loop. They don't notice it, and these are the same people who invented Monday on purpose. Well, if this is already too real, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, humans have built a calendar to track their iterations, 12 months of pure while true. At least in Python you can break, in real life you just get a burnout. And every January they shout, New Year, like it's a patch release. It's just the same bugs, but with a new calendar, you know? But to keep all those endless patches running, humans needed fuel. Every loop needs an energy input. For stars, it's fusion. For humans, it's beans. You know which beans? Coffee beans. So humans did discover the ultimate loop accelerator, coffee. It starts innocent. They refill for energy. 5 minutes later, they have superpowers and 10 new bugs. Every developer runs this cycle. Their productivity graph spikes for an hour, then crashes like a bad server. Get more coffee and repeat, get more coffee and repeat. And by cup 4, reality becomes a merge conflict. It's not a beverage anymore, it's a runtime dependency. So, serious question. What percentage of your bugs are caffeine-induced via caffeine-prevented? Be honest, I'm not collecting runtime data. So caffeine is just the human way of saying I'm compiling until I crash. But wait, nature had loops long before humans started consuming caffeine. Nature was looping since long time ago, though, bloom, harvest, freeze, and so on. But lately it feels like someone added a skip comment to the climate script. Some countries just jump straight from winter to summer and back, unless you live in somewhere in Eastern Europe, where all 4 seasons run in parallel threads and none of them sync really properly. Actually, the scariest loops aren't in code or nature, you know? They are in humans. Refreshing social feeds expecting different results, or reopening YouTube hoping like the counter of the likes moved. When loops become invisible, they become exhausting. That's why I keep this diary, so at least my loop has print statements. Quick sanity check. How many times today have you opened the same app hoping something new would appear? Be honest, your thumb should have developed a muscle memory at this point. More loops? Funny how this keeps happening. Let's look back to our first bug report, Sisyphus. Sisyphus wasn't cursed, he just merged bad logic into main. His algorithm was actually quite simple. As long as his ego was greater than 0, he kept pushing that boulder. He forgot the line that says stop when it's finally done. And boom, an infinite loop. He spends eternity pushing the same issue to upstream and the management keeps saying let's circle back. Some say he is still waiting for QI approval. If he had written a proper exit condition, he would be relaxing in production with 0 errors. But nope, he turned it into an agile board. Endless sprints, same boulder, new tickets. Kidding. So yeah, eternal burnout. Is this relatable somehow? Every loop needs a way out. In code, it's called break. In life, it's called vacation. If you don't set one, you will keep pushing that boulder, just with fancier tools. Define your exit. A walk, nap, a moment to breathe. Otherwise, you're Sisyphus with Slack notifications. I have a serious question. What's your personal break condition? A playlist? A walk? A complete system shutdown? Or you just Control-C and run away? Keep the loop going. Next diary awaits. And if you thrive in this chaos, hit subscribe.